Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, so you basically already have like a Runna account, but you can't log in. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually log in Runna app in 2026 without any problems. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, go all the way, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Open your app basically. So after opening the Runna app on your phone, all we're gonna do is basically log in. Just tap on login on the welcome screen when it fully opens, then enter the email address you used to sign up, enter your password, and that's the whole idea here. As for the social login options, if you signed up with Apple or Google, tap the corresponding button. This is faster and you don't need to remember another password, it will be easier for you. As for the connected devices, once logged in, Runna automatically syncs with your connected devices. So I'm talking about Garmin or like Apple Watches, Goros, and even more. Your workouts will appear on your watch automatically, don't even worry about that also. But if you are having some trouble doing so, we're gonna go all the way to look for Runna here to see if there is any update available for the app. So this is left actually, this is Runna. Okay, so if you can see any update button available, just go ahead and do that update. After this, we're gonna go all the way back, tap on the app, then tap on info, go all the way to storage. You can also clear the cache if it's not working properly. Then do the classic solution, restart your device and run it back again. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.